Welcome to our full guide on how to hide your college information on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Scroll down and locate the option Edit Public Details. Step 4. Next to Details, tap on Edit. Step 5. Under the Education section, find your college and tap the pencil icon next to it. Step 6. Look for the privacy icon and select Only Me to ensure that your college information is hidden from others on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily manage the privacy of your college details on your Facebook profile, allowing you to control who can view this information. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to hide your college information on Facebook. Customize your privacy settings to maintain control over the visibility of your personal details and enjoy a more private and secure social media experience.